Hello, everyone, and hello, hosts. So, are you ready to take your vacation rental business to the next level? And if you've been hosting on Airbnb and want to attract even more guests, listing your property on this website, the Booking.com, is a fantastic move. So, Booking.com is one of the world's largest platforms or the travel platforms with millions of visitors searching for accommodations every day. So, by adding your property there, you're opening up your listing to a whole new audience of travelers. Okay, guys, but I get it. Managing multiple platforms can feel overwhelming. That's why I'm here to show you step by step on how to list your Airbnb property on Booking.com seamlessly. I'll also share tips to keep your calendar synced and avoid double bookings. So, either you're seasoned host or just getting started, guys. In this tutorial, this guide will help you maximize your bookings and grow your rental business. So grab a coffee, sit back, and just watch this video. So of course, what you need to do here is to go to their website. You need to head over to the booking.com and of course, create an account there. And as you can see here, this is the main dashboard of the booking.com. So don't forget, guys, to log into your account. And if you don't have one, don't worry, you can still create an account for you to proceed on listing your property. So as you can see here, what you'll see on the dashboard is this one, your property type. So later part, your Airbnb will look like this. So what you need to do here is to go to the top right. So and then look for the button which is the list your property. So here on the home page, guys, at the top of the home page, you can click on list your property here. So for a while, guys, let's just have a look on this part. So here you'll be able to see here the list your property. So I'm gonna zoom it, guys. This is very important, guys, because this is the first step on listing your Airbnb. So right after that one is you'll be able to see this one. Once you are signed in, Booking.com will guide you through a series of step to step up your property listing. So you'll need to provide an account, so register for free. And as you can see here, already started a registration. You can continue your registration here. So here, register for free, choose between instant bookings and booking requests. They also handle payments, guys, for you. So here, I already have my account here, so I'm just gonna sign in here. So you'll be able to see this one, guys, when you go to listing your property. So let's move forward to the next step, which is I'm gonna sign in. So I will be directed to the next step, guys, which is this one. So create your partner account. So I'm just gonna log in my account here. So as you can see here, I have already an account, so I can now sign in on my own. So here, sign into your managed property. And right after that one is they will ask for your password. Make sure to have a strong password, guys. And after that one, you'll be able to see here. So this is some of my properties here. For example, that one is my Calista Hotel. So because I already have make a property here, so what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna tap on this create new listing. And here you'll be able to see it here. So here, list your property on booking.com and start welcoming guests in no time. So here you'll be able to see here apartment, homes, hotel, B&Bs, and more. So because Airbnb, guys, can be part of apartment or a house, so either choose that one. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna choose the which is the apartment, guys. So you'll be able to see that one, and you just need to take for a while, guys. Make sure, guys, that when you are listing your property, make sure that the description of your property, um, the pictures of your property or your Airbnb is um, already ready, guys, so that you will have a more smooth setting up with your. So here you'll be able to see here one apartment where guests can book the entire place. So does this sound like your property? You can continue, or no, you need to make a change. So after this one, I'm just gonna tap on this continue button. So once you sign in, guys, you'll need to provide key details like property type, the number of rooms, bed, and bathrooms. So here, guys, if your property is listed on Airbnb, you can speed registration by importing it directly to your booking.com. But here, guys, my property isn't listed on any other website. So here, tap on the continue button, and right after that one, be as accurate, guys, as possible to ensure your listing attracts the right guests. So here is what is the name of your place here. So here, depending on you, so what is the name of your place here, make sure to double check the name of your place. For example, that one is Kaiza Studio. So this is just an example, guys. So your property's availability and pricing. You can use the calendar tool to block off days when your Airbnb is already booked, guys. And for pricing, you can consider matching or slightly adjusting your Airbnb rates to stay competitive. So here, where is the property you've been listing? So here, they will be able to send you a letter to confirm a location of your property to make sure that the address is correct, guys, because it is difficult to make changes to it later. So tip, guys, enable seasonal pricing to take advantage of peak travel periods. So as what I said a while ago, guys, don't forget, upload the high quality photos of your property, focus on showing clean, well-lit spaces, and highlight unique features like a balcony or pool. These images are what will attract potential guests to click on your listing. Now, you can also write detailed description of your property, include information about the neighborhood, and that's it, guys. You've successfully listed your Airbnb property on booking.com. Now you're ready to welcome even more guests, and if you find this tutorial helpful, give it a like, share, and fellow host, and subscribe for more tips on managing vacation rental. Thank you, and see you in my next video.